Hello, I showed you my classroom project. Improving my listening skill to understand what I hear. Listen always active. Research question. How to promote the development of listening skill in English? Why it is necessary to recognize the degree of listening comprehension before developing the classroom project? How does the pedagogical proposal contribute to the strengthening of listening students? How useful are songs around in developing listening skills? What impacts does development of the pedagogical proposal have on the degree listening comprehension achieved? General objective. Promote the development of listening skills in the first grade student of the National Technical District Educational Institution of Commerce through songs and rounds to improve listening comprehension. A specific objective. 1. Determine the degree of the listening comprehension of first grade student. 2. Plan the pedagogical proposal based on the use of the songs and rounds to strengthen listening in students. 3. Execute the pedagogical proposal from the use of songs and rounds to facilitate the development of listening skills. 4. Access to scopes of the action carried out for development of listening in terms of the degree of listening comprehension acquired. Conceptual framework. To strengthen this classroom project, some theoretical approaches were selected that support the proposal on the development of listening English skill in first grade students. Piaget affirmed that the game tends to build a wide network of devices that allow the child to assimilate all reality, incorporating to relieve, dominate, or understanding. Piaget, 1967. Piaget attributed to game a very important role in the development of thoughts in the acquisition of structural and cognitive scheme. Brunner, 1986, states that the child learns to interact by participating in community interaction. Methodology. The methodology of the project in the classroom is a strategy that is word linked the object of active pedagogy, conceptual change, training and toward autonomy, subject-object interaction to generate knowledge is linked the objective of pedagogy active because the student learn by doing, no meaning that only what can be elaborated or constructed manually is learned, but is the student is expected to be able to use to reconstruct knowledge in his practical life. Nuestra Aldea 2011. The project is developed within qualitative research, specifically from action research, understood as putting an idea into practice with a view to improving or changing something, trying to make it have a real effect on situation. Chemist, 1983, quote by Berrocal. The investigation had four moments: conceptualization of the problem, programming, development, and feedback. Each stage corresponds to the specific objective set out in the classroom project. Conceptualization of the problem. Listening discrimination initial test application, interpretation of the result. 2. Programming. Activity and resources are directed to carry out the pedagogical strategy. 3. Development of the pedagogical strategy, student interaction with sons and rounds. 4. Feedback. Assignments of improvements achieved in listening comprehension. Findings. Among the findings of the Classroom project with emphasis on listening competence are the need to stimulate children in development of listening with sounds and sounds. Invite primary English teachers to implement activity with sounds and sounds to motivate students in listening skills. Conclusion. For a better understanding of the part of the first grade children, it's necessary to work through to use of strategies such as songs and rounds that are able to awake interest and motivation to learn English language and develop listening skills. Reference. Evidence. Some pictures where the students were learning the number with sounds. Thank you.